Thank you, thank you.
शमिता मैम, आपकी इस वेब सीरीज से कमबैक के बारे में बताइए।
I wish people wouldn't stress on a comeback, but I'm really excited to be a part of this web series. I think the story is very fresh, new. I think a lot of youngsters will probably relate to this story, and it's an interesting character as well because I've not played something like this before, and that's why I decided to do it.
हम जानना चाहेंगे आपके इस कैरेक्टर के बारे में, आप प्लीज बताएं।
So I play a very initially she comes across as this really simple and sweet girl. A character that people can relate to, but then as the story progresses, you see a completely different avatar. She becomes this really strong, confident person, someone who's very aware of her sexuality, knows how to use it to get her way, and she gets the boys into a lot of trouble. You literally see that change, as the story goes on, and it kind of gave me a chance to do something different here.
आपका ये एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा है वेब सीरीज में एक मूवी के बाद?
Well, I think the only difference here is that web series बहुत जल्दी ख़त्म हो जाती है shooting and the preparation and everything, maybe in a month, 2 months. फिल्में शायद maybe 6 months to 8 months, it takes longer time. But I think the only difference here is that on this platform you can really, filmmakers have this opportunity to do exactly what they want with no censorship, be it the script, the characters, they have the freedom to express themselves the way they want to. So I think in that sense it's different from films. Sorry? हाँ 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 हाँ
कई बार अलग अलग तरीके के पब्लिक्स होते हैं जो देखते हैं वेब सीरीज, ट्रॉल होने का भी, ट्रॉल भी होता है।
हाँ हाँ
आपके दिमाग में ये नहीं कि मेरा कैरेक्टर ट्रॉल हो सकता है या फिर मैं मजाक में आ सकता है, ऐसा कुछ?
ऑनेस्टली ट्रोलिंग तो जब हम सोशल हमारे जो इंस्टाग्राम है, ट्विटर है, अगर लोगों को कुछ बोलना है वो वहाँ पे भी बोलते हैं. You have to, for me at least, I make sure that all of that doesn't affect me. मैंने काम किया है to the best of my abilities, तो बस छोड़ दिया अब. Now nothing is in my hands, Some people will like it, some people will not like it. So to each his own.
मैम आपकी खूबसूरती
मेरी खूबसूरती का राज, I don't know, maybe genes. I have to thank my parents.
मैम ये वेब सीरीज फ्रेंडशिप के ऊपर भी कंटेंट, तो ऐसा बॉलीवुड से ऐसा कोई फ्रेंड जो आपके बहुत ही नज़दीक और कभी भी एनी टाइम बुलाए आपके लिए खड़े हो?
Actor, actress, no, but maybe designer Rocky. I've known him for over 20 years. Yeah, longest.
After web series, any upcoming project you're working on?
As of now, it's the web series. I'm really excited to see how people react to this, and then let's see.
मैम डिजिटल की बात करें तो डिजिटल में आपका एक गेम ब्लू वेल जो बच्चों को प्रोत्साहन करता है.
Sorry, can you repeat that?
ब्लू वेल गेम है जो बच्चों को प्रोत्साहन करता है सुसाइड करने के लिए, तो आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Blue Well? What is that?
ऑनलाइन गेम.
That's a game?
ऑलरेडी 15 जनों ने सुसाइड कर दिया.
तो खेलते क्यों हैं? And this,
बहुत अच्छा लगा कि आपको इस बारे में नहीं पता.
I really don't know about this.
मेरा ये सवाल होगा, आपकी क्या होप्स है?
आपको क्या लगता है इस गेम को बैन
Well,
करना
see,
चाहिए गवर्नमेंट को?
sorry? Of course ban करना चाहिए. If people are actually getting influenced by games like this, it definitely should be banned. But I think what we have to be a little careful about what we do on screen. It does influence people to a certain extent, and obviously web as well to a certain extent will influence people, especially children. They don't maybe understand the difference between right and wrong as much as a mature person. But as far as the web series is concerned, I think we're living in a digital age today, and the web series are like the new way. It's like new age, and that's the way to go now. So I think a lot of youngsters out there probably connect with what they see on the web as well, and I think it's also very convenient because everyone doesn't have the time to go and watch a film today. This is something that you can just watch on your phone, on your laptop. Everyone has access to the internet today. So I think it caters to you know, a lot youngsters and maybe older people out there, depending on the subject.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I didn't understand anything.
Yeah.
आधी पीछे